The Nyotrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The story of a young orphaned boy from UMRAN in BHOI district of Meghalaya has touched the hearts of many. 9-year-old Christopher WARTDE has been working hard to take care of his two younger siblings, 6-year-old BADASHISHA WARTDE and 1-year-old ELIZA WARTDE, and his ailing father. On hearing about the news of her grandson, his maternal grandmother PHLORAN WARTDE and her daughters residing at MAWPON, MYRKHEW in southwest KHASI district of the state left for UMRAN to bring back with them Christopher's younger siblings so they would be able to take care of the children and also relieve the young boy of his sufferings caused by shouldering such a heavy responsibility. However, young Christopher was not able to join his siblings as he had to take care of his ailing father back at UMRAN village. As news flooded various social media platforms, NGOs and pressure groups of Southwest KHASI Hills extended their support to the family of PHLORAN WARTDE. On 22nd October 2021, the KHASI Students' Union, the Nyotrep Achik National Movement and others had donated essential food items and cash to the family. Member of the HANM Maukarwat Circle, Lombok Star, visited the little girls and their extended family to offer help and extend moral support to the siblings and to members of the family as they strive to give the little girls a safe and secure future.
Musim kejing sengau melung buat kejing jauh mat abang yoi kini konsuat buat ngilayok ru ya kejing tip menen hakpor kumba rawaje kendai waje menmit ya kaba kini ki konsuat kilawan poi hapok Shillong tena kalian kejing yiru ngila simkia ya kena kebentar buat marmar ngim sama ayok pada pentiblut ya kipra membar apok jong kaseng ndrai ngila lek dak ba kerti ya kena kam bang yuan ya no dinusion ya ini ki konsuat ki badang rit ya kaba ngi kum kaseng HNM ni penpau ya kajing ya snok tilang bat ki konsuat ki badon hakpo.
We were also able to speak to one of the family members, and this is what she had to say.
Orang cin ai konsuat dia ren marcin sumar cin rei dang en lah kemi idla misan nem mina ong ai konsuat dikerpat moi nang mikna di MDC dala moi rapat benta cung sem mo buci duk kirang li le buci kenduk bon kita kijong man lau kep tawa ki pen pare atan re tat nepor ki lembas kang ai konsuat inga tapi ni rapat ini konsuat tapi yang Martini konsuat lawe jong ki no kin sen chung sen sem bun kinan army itne kon kadula jong klen ta tham jong ai ong kini kon lam se brchni ya pen sna chung sem tapi dia rap kini konsuat Martina sungu tinang la bun tho da skum ne da trau ne da ki cir cila bun tap chung meni ri akini konsuat ba play bi man pen le